Who's coming down? It's Peter. Christmas morning, 2011. Peter, hold on. Wait for your sisters. Who's coming? Do you think anyone came last night?
Santa. Santa.
Who's that coming down the stairs? Natalie. You think Santa came last night? Did you hear him?
No.
You didn't hear him? You were sound asleep?
Yes. We didn't even hear the bells.
Is that Claire?
We didn't even hear the reindeers.
That's Claire. Did Santa come? You didn't hear any bells?
No.
I can't believe
And
it.
we didn't hear the
Look at the
reindeers.
stockings.
Is there anything in here?
Stop. Yeah.
Look at those stockings.
They're stuffed.
Look! Wow! Look at the bottom, Mama!
What are they?
Ducks!
Ducks, rubber ducks.
Everyone gets 4.
It's
Claire,
Santa duck!
Claire, yours are here. These are yours, Claire. These are Peter's, and those are Natalie's. They're under your stocking. Here you go, Claire.
I got 4 rubber duckies!
4 rubber duckies. That's awesome.
They're all the same, Claire.
Let's see what's in our stocking now. Yeah.
You want to bring this down
Yeah.
and open it over there? Hold it by the ribbon there.
Nine.
Open it away from Natalie. Okay?
Oh, Princess Band-Aids. We were hoping Santa might bring those.
Yay!
My goodness, Claire, you want to open your stocking?
Peter, what's that?
Yay!
Peter, what's that, honey? Do you know what that is?
I got Woody!
Peter, keep going in your stocking, honey.
Bud.
Peter, I got Woody!
Hey.
See if you get Buzz Lightyear! You got Buzz Lightyear Band-Aid!
Hey, Natalie, look what's above the stocking.
Let's see what it is. Cinderella. Peter, look what's above your stocking! Mommy, I got a Woody! I got a
Yay, a Woody doll.
Look what Claire got above her stocking.
And I got a Cinderella Russian doll.
Awesome.
Oh, we have to open them up though. Claire, look what you got.
And look!
A book. You know what it says?
Claire.
It's a blueberry book. Blueberries for Sal.
Look what
Peter,
else
what's
you got.
that?
A new notepad. Peter, it's just like mine.
Oh my goodness. But what letter is on it, Peter?
P. A P.
Yay.
This.
Peter, see what else is in your stocking.
Yeah.
What's in that?
What is it? The dino. A dino.
A dino?
Look, Mom, I got a
Wow,
balloon.
we're
It's a dino from Toy Story.
It is. Wow, what a cool dino.
From Toy Story. Oh yeah. But
What else is in your stocking, Peter?
my stocking is empty.
Okay.
Hey, did you get a movie, Natalie?
Yep.
Over on next
A Buzz Lightyear.
Monsters Inc.
A Buzz Lightyear.
And I got a Woody.
And what did Claire get?
What did she get?
Claire got Jessie.
She got Jessie.
Did you get Jessie, Claire? And did everyone get a new water bottle?
Claire, did you get one?
Peter, what's your water bottle? What does it have on it?
Dino.
Dinos. Natalie, did you get a water bottle?
Yeah.
What is it? Oh, and Claire got one. Yay.
Mama,
And duckies.
can I switch with Claire?
What?
You want
Oh, for Jessie? Sure.
Claire? Do you want Woody?
And the dino stands up.
Yeah. And there's Buzz Lightyear.
And the Buzz Lightyear stands up.
You got Woody, Claire.
Mom, I can't.
I know her hat doesn't, I don't think it
Doesn't fit on
stays
very
on very well. You just have to pretend, Natalie.
Duck. I'm gonna sing a duck.
I know that we're having the same problems here.
Natalie, the spider is attached. Yeah.
Man.
Look at those Band-Aids, Peter.
Yeah.
Natalie, I can't wait to see that movie.
Toy Story Band-Aid.
What movie is it, Natalie?
But right on the front. Hey, this one is Ariel.
Oh, fun!
And this one is Belle. Oh, she
Oh, what's that little one?
my duckies. This is the
Well, you each have 4 duckies.
One of each.
One of each.
No, you can't have 2 Santa Claus. But you can have this one. Okay. Holly on that.
Oh, here's another one. Here's another one. There's a reindeer one.
No.
I know, it's tough.
Claire, it's a new water bottle. What do you think?
Mama and Dada want to look in your stocking.